Item number 5.14, adoption of meeting schedules. 2017.
Lovely, pretty colours. Lots of work there.
Pretty. Yep.
So this was based on some of the discussions we've had previously, trying to fit all the committee and the council meetings to meet everybody's requirements. We've tried to put on some of the workshops that we are aware of in terms of annual plan and long-term plan, and we've also left some blanks, as you can see, with the workshops which were put in your diaries, which might or might not be used.
Thanks, Tina. Okay.
So happy to take any changes if some of those might not suit, but as we did last year, if there have been some...
I didn't think we suggest that.
If there are any difficulties, we just change them on a monthly basis if necessary, as we did last year.
Yep. Chairman, we've decided by the schedule here that our council meetings start at 2.
Yes.
Does that allow what you're envisaging, 30 minutes for groups to come to talk to council?
Yes, well, 2 o'clock will be the start. Now, whether we had that at 1:30.
Yeah, I think
mic session, you mean?
Yeah, we're still having some discussions around whether it's within the council meeting or whether you have it prior to the council meeting.
That I've been involved with start prior to a council.
So that being the case, might be 1:30.
Yep.
Private, yeah.
So public notification will be council 1:30. That would be part of the agenda.
It won't be. No.
Won't be part of the
agenda. Won't be part of the.
No, there's two separate. Well, I mean, it depends how you want to go, but there's 2 separate ways that you do it. You'd be advertising a council meeting at 2 o'clock, and then you'd be doing an advert for your public forum from 1:30 till 2. But it wouldn't be included as part of your agenda.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Tina. Recommendation there that we...
Just a question, Your Worship. The council meeting on the 7th of February, do we know whether that is the full council meeting or is it going to be perhaps a workshop or a small council meeting? Just that I noticed we've got Fred on the 31st, the Tuesday, the previous of January. Because I'm not available on the 7th at the moment, I just wondered whether they could be joined together. Possible?
What normally happens in February? Normally is one early in February, do we?
Yeah, we do have one early in February, just as a bit of a catch-up for not having meetings sort of towards the end of December and early January. I think staff have planned some items to already come to the 7th meeting in terms of the draft bylaw for food and camping, etc., to start to comply with some of the timelines.
We can't have it much earlier than that because staff actually get papers and then can't just have to leave or go on leave.
Yeah, just...
You won't be here, Barry?
Pardon?
You're not here on the 7th?
Well, at the moment I've got a book in, but I'll see.
All right. Okay, we'll leave it at the
Got an opportunity of going away, then put it that way.
Good lad. You can
junk it.
Well, you could call it a junket if you want to.
All right. We'll hopefully
change it to another day.
Might be 2 here.
Well, there's people not here today, so...
Yeah.
don't worry about it.
They'll be everywhere. Yep, cool. Okay, recommendation. Thank you very much. I move Councillor Williamson, seconded by Councillor Truman. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried.